All right, tonight's stuff. Now it's time to get things underway. Bob, you looking forward to this one?
You bet I am. We're in for quite a game.
Robinson is called for the defensive foul.
Robinson. That's his first personal. Team foul, number 1.
O'Neal, pump fakes. Pass to Davis. He goes up with it. Yes!
Davis. The assist to Shaquille O'Neal.
I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Robinson. The assist to Dan Dickow.
Weber, good fake. To Hill. He comes away with it. To Dickow. Lays it in. The Magic have been working to improve their transition game.
Looks like they better keep working.
Quick pass to O'Neal. To Hill. He fakes. To Weber. He goes for the shot fake. The three. Yes. That'll put pressure on the defense.
So far, they just can't contain him, Don.
Chris Weber.
Looks for a three-pointer.
Let's go.
Tries the three. Dickow takes the rebound. He's averaging 24 boards this season. Terry with the fake.
Out of bounds. Magic ball.
2 up. Take him up. 5.
With the nice shot fake. To Hill. Dish to Davis. There's the highlight.
Absolutely.
They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Swatted away by Weber. Dickow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
As a former Raptor, T-Mac felt like he was option number 2. There's no question he's the main man on this team. McGrady, he's not the man you want to put on the line.
McGrady.
No good. Miller pulls it down. Lets it fly. Carries for 3.
Stop him now.
Dishes it to Weber. Back to McGrady. Quick pass to Hill. To Davis. Pass to McGrady. The 3.
Get it up.
No. Abdur-Rahim grabs it.
Foul. That's a foul. 2. On the arm.
Stolen. The Magic did a great job.
We're seeing some excellent ball pressure on the floor.
Orlando increases their lead to 4. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Weber gets it. Baron Davis proves game after game why he's an all-star. He's the leader of this team. Dickow feels they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try and exploit it. Backing his defender down. Pulls the trigger.
Has he got game? You bet he does.
He pump fakes. Sends it to Hill. To McGrady. To the Diesel. He's bringing it home with a two-handed dunk. That's 11 points for the former first-round pick.
Shaquille O'Neal.
He's looking to make the entry pass.
And if they can get it in there, they have a good chance of scoring.
Davis grabs it. O'Neal with the ball. Sends it to Hill. Davis gets the rock. Dickow is whistled for the defensive foul.
Dan Dickow.
He fakes the shot. Seaweb with the shot. With another.
Now, it's hard to stop a team when they get into the zone like that.
3 up.
Look for Jason Terry to log a lot of minutes tonight. He is vital to this team's success.
That's 8 points for the former Arizona Wildcat. To Hill. He's been robbed.
There's only a few seconds left in this quarter, and these guys know what they've got to do.
We'll see if they can hold for the last shot. He fights on the shot clock. Harris with the defensive foul. That's 6 points for the former first-round pick. The Magic are up by 5. Brady is one of the league's leaders in free throw accuracy. He's 0 for 2 from the line. To Terry, looks for a three-pointer. He drains it.
For 3, the assist to number 12.
O'Neal takes the feed.
They don't make them any other way.
After one, the Magic lead 21-17. After one quarter, they're down on the scoreboard, Bob. How do you turn this around?
They need to take more high-percentage shots down, and that means kicking the ball down low in the paint.
Miller, no good. Weber takes the rebound. Dish to Davis. To Hill.
Blocked. That's a trap.
Finger roll. We're seeing an offensive-minded player at work.
And liking it.
5.
3. Terry comes up empty. Weber gets the rebound. Davis puts up the shot. Dickow boards it. He's averaging 24 boards for the season. Terry hits it. He has 15 points.
The assist to number 12. Dan Dickow.
To Hill. To Shaq with the nice shot fake. He's been robbed. He's really pushing the ball up court. That was a slick two-handed jam.
The assist.
Big Dog now has 6 points.
Dan Dickow.
O'Neal fakes his man off his feet. Abdurrahim grabs it. Terry pulls the trigger. Hill grabs it. A short pass to Davis. Dishes off to Hill. Strips the ball. Quick pass to Dickow. They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
To Sharif. Out to Robinson. Seems to me they're looking to generate some points in the paint. He's been robbed. That's their game, running the fast break. To Davis. He puts up the shot. Dickow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Takes the jumper.
Abdurrahim.
Good.
The assist to number 12. Dan Dickow.
There's the fake. Gives it off to Davis. Pass to Hill. It's stolen.
Into the game for Atlanta, number 1. DeMar Johnson, and number 5.
Abdurrahim pulls the trigger. O'Neal grabs the board. To T-Mac. Picks up the defensive foul.
It's the little things that make him such a valuable member of this team.
As far as little things go, free throw shooting is pretty darn big.
I guess you've got a point.
He's 1 for 3 from the line. He'll bring it up court.
Jumping it down low seems to be a good idea, Don.
Well, Bob, they feel the other team just can't defend them down there. Robinson puts up the J. He's stepping up his offense.
And that's just what his team needs.
To O'Neal. He fakes.
2 minutes remaining in the second quarter.
Weber handles the dish. Oh, baby, that got everyone out of their seats.
The assist to number 1.
If they can run a few isolation plays for him, he'll come up with points. Johnson wants to try and work it into the post here. He's been robbed. He's just racing down the court. Hill hits the 2. The Magic are up 5-1. The rest of the team gave him some room to operate. Johnson looks for three. He brings it up court.
He walked.
To Seaweb. To Hill. The three. He hits it.
Into the game.
This guy's making it look way too easy.
That's a 7-0 run.
And number 12, Dan.
He'll bring it up court.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Puts out the jumper. That time he struck from deep.
Everyone was so worried about getting the rebound, they forgot to contest the shot. Seaweb, the complete package. He's got skill, speed, strength, and size.
To Hill. To the Diesel. Muhammad falls for the fake. Dickow sets it up on the right side. Lover goes up. Abdul-Rahim takes the offensive board. To Weber. He pump fakes. The two-handed dunk is good. The Magic lead by 7.
The assist to Tracy McGrady.
Dickow is trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint.
The assist to
Passes off to Hill. He doesn't get the basket. Sends it to Dickow.
That's not right. Four. Come on, right.
Takes the jumper. Got it.
Dickow.
Oh, we got last.
Puts up the J. Weber misfired. At halftime, Orlando leads Atlanta 35-32. In the first half of play, we've seen some of the problems that have plagued this team.
And it's mainly on the defensive end of the floor. This time, sometimes, you just got to learn to just work through it.
Dickow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it may open up the outside shot.
Davis with a finger roll. He leads the team with 13 points. Dickow will bring it up court. I think we're seeing a call for some post play here.
They want to work the ball inside to see how the defense reacts.
Backs him in. Robinson with the jumper.
He can feel it now. Oh, yeah.
He'll bring it up court. Passes off to Hill. Yes!
They've had a hard time defending against those quick passes.
Number 34, Shaquille O'Neal.
Puts up the tray. Dickow gets that one.
For 3.
Hill puts it up. Got it.
When it comes to shooting, this man is unstoppable.
He sets up the offense. With the layup. Orlando got beat on the drive.
They need to shut that down.
With the J.
They haven't been able to stop him yet tonight, but they're going to have to find a way if they want to win.
Dickow sets the offense. You got to watch that player when he isolates his man. Block shot. He was out of control that time.
This team can't afford to have him on the floor if he's going to make mistakes like that.
To Weber. With the nice shot fake. Dishes off to Davis. From the baseline. O'Neal with the offensive board. The Magic lead by 6. Dickow sets it up on the right side. Swatted away by the Diesel. Weber with the ball to T-Mac. Robinson with the interception to Dickow. Up for the lay-in. The Magic weren't able to handle them.
You got to give props to the other team, Don. They came up with the ball and put the pedal down.
He ran into trouble that time.
Unforced errors are going to be the death of this team.
O'Neal fakes the shot. To him, Abdul-Rahim is called for the defensive foul.
Sharif Abdul-Rahim.
Hits the first. Hits that one. Terry will bring it up court.
Yo, come on.
Dickow fired. He doesn't get the basket. O'Neal grabs it. Gives it off to Hill. He's been wrong. If you want to go by the number of steals, this team has been a defensive powerhouse tonight. Davis is whistled for the defensive foul.
That's his first person. Team foul, number 1.
Launches the three. That was pretty. That gives him a game-high 20 points. To C-Web. He gets his defender in the air. O'Neal takes the offensive board. Oh, yeah! When a team is hitting shots like that, they're tough to beat.
It becomes a real uphill battle.
Dickow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. With a nice shot fake. Oh, my goodness. He has 12 points. Hill takes it hard to the rack. He's now got 13 points.
Tracy McGrady.
The offense is looking to get something in the post.
They want to try to get the post players involved.
There's the fake. Terry misses the rainmaker. Hill picks up the offensive foul.
That's his first person. Team foul, number 3.
Dickow puts up the J. That gives him 7 points. To Hill. He fakes the shot. Takes the shot. Davis buries the shot. The Magic leads by 6. Dickow wants to try and work it into the post here. I just love those alley-oops.
The assist to number 12, Dan Dickow.
Hill, good fake. Looks at the three. No. Robinson takes the rebound. They feel they have an advantage down low, and they're going to try to exploit it. Davis with the defensive foul.
We got to stop.
Finger roll.
Glenn Robinson.
Last shot, bro. Last shot.
He buys the shot fake with the two-handed punch.
The assist to number 1, Tracy McGrady.
Nice shot.
He backs it away.
Out of bounds. Hawks ball.
Shot clock is dead. Launches the three. Dickow hits it.
For 3.
Weber is whistled for the backcourt violation. I don't think the player wants to go with that call, Bob.
I bet he just wants to clear up a few things with the official.
Jason
Oh,
Terry.
yes.
The assist to Dan Dickow.
McGrady sets it up on the left side at the end of the third quarter. This team needs to dig a little bit deeper.
Make that a lot deeper. That kind of effort they gave in the third quarter, that will not get things done.
To Weber. He puts up the jumper. Miller pulls it down. They're looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. Terry at the baseline. Blocks it.
Orlando foul. Big buck. Right on screen.
Hill picks up the defensive foul. Terry now has 24 points. He goes to the line, shooting 1. It's good. To Hill. O'Neal with the fake. Airball. Dickow will bring it up short. We're seeing the post players trying to establish position.
He's looking for the entry pass so he can go to work now.
He gets his man in the air. No good. Weber with the board. Passes off to O'Neal. Short pass to Hill. To C-Web. Abdul-Rahim is called for the defensive foul.
This player will be near the top of the free throw standings for the season.
It'd be nice to see him take top honors in that category.
I'd say he deserves it.
Into the game for Atlanta, number 2, Nazir Mohammed.
Williams out. Robinson gets the rebound. That gives him 5 rebounds.
You're gonna have to win
to Terry. Tosses it into Robinson. Blocked by Hill.
Hawks ball into the game for the Atlanta Hawks.
They're going to try and get the ball to the post area.
If they can get points in the paint, it might open up the outside shot.
He pushes it hard up the floor. Gives it off to McGrady. There's the alley-oop.
Straight from the highlight reel.
Weber now has 13 points. Dickow, he's trying to run some plays for the big men to get some production in the paint. McGrady is whistled for the foul.
Defensive foul to number 1, Tracy McGrady, into the game for Atlanta.
Weber grabs it. He initiates the offense. McGrady, good fake. That double bump was flat out nasty. That's a 7-0 run.
The assistant, number 3,
Terry gets the rock. He fires. He drains it. He has a game-high 28 points. To O'Neal with a nice shot fake. Gives it off to Weber. Sends it to Hill. McGrady on the right side.
out of bounds. Hawks ball. Into the game for the Hawks. Number 12, Dan Dickow. And number 52, Brad Moore.
Dickow sets it up on the right side. Hill grabs it. He misses from outside. Abdur Rahim grabs it. Dickow is trying to get the ball into the post area.
If they can get points
2
in the
minutes
paint,
remaining.
it may open up the outside shot.
Into the game for the Atlanta Hawks.
Dickow makes the lay-in. He has 12 points. McGrady handles the feed. He goes for the fake. Look out!
Special delivery coming through.
The assistant, Tracy McGrady. Out of bounds, Hawks ball. Into the game for the Hawks. Number 2, Nasser Mohammed.
Dickow with the shot. He buries the jumper.
The assistant, number 2, Nasser Mohammed.
He comes away with it to Dickow. McGrady is whistled for the defensive foul. This player wasn't always a great free throw shooter.
It just goes to show you what you can get from practice.
Into the game for Atlanta. Number 15, Glenn
Misses them both. O'Neal boards it. He looks to run. Dickow with the defensive foul. There are two sides to every story.
And the coach is making sure he gets his on record.
With a nice shot fake. Mr. High Riser, he sure knew how to throw that one down with authority. Looks like they want to go inside.
They think they can definitely get some points from down low.
The ball was player guided.
He tickles the twine with another shot.
His field goal percentage is off the chart. Dickow is looking to go down low and get some points in the paint. He shoots. He misfired. Robinson takes the offensive board.
With a little bit of effort, that shot could have been stopped.
To O'Neal with the nice shot fake. To T-Mac. Perry with the interception.
Into the game for Atlanta. Number 1, Sharif Abdul-Rahim.
Perry shoots. He drains the jumper. McGrady will bring it up court. Hill pump fakes. To McGrady. To Davis. Puts up the J. O'Neal makes it.
The defense wasn't able to collapse on the ball.
Yeah, he was just too quick for him.
The entire game comes down to this possession.
They want to make sure they get the right shot. Weber picks off the pass. He's not slowing down the tempo of this game.
It's going to be a long night for these fellas.
bounds. Atlanta ball.
Shot clock is dead. With the shot, he won't be the hero of this one. The final score.